Hey there, YouTube. This is a Bissell heavy duty vacuum cleaner. It's got a lifetime belt, and I believe that. And its beater bar, well, I found this guy in the trash can. His bin was all the way up here, full. And the full line is actually down here. So it probably overheated, and they thought, what the crap's happening? So they tossed it out. And the beater bar was full of hair, where like the bristles weren't even showing. But I cleaned it up, and now it works great. It's got a HEPA media filter and a normal foam filter that you can wash, and it's got this filter right here that picks up like fine particles or something. And there's the inside. It's totally clean. Well, not like clean, but emptied. I can't get the thingy back on. Hold on. There we go. It used to have a turbo brush, but it didn't come with the vacuum. But it's okay, because we really don't need the turbo brush. But it came with the extension wand, what's this called? I forgot. Oh, I know what this is called too. But it comes with those two. Then it came with this. And I didn't have to pay for anything for this vacuum. It came working. And it was out by the dumpster, and it had a hailstorm hit it, and it was covered in water, and it just works. Okay, here's the power button. Here's the power for the brush. And there's the height adjustments. So, let's try it out, shall we? Put down some sea salt. And some black pepper. So there. That's all down there. The black pepper. I don't think you could see it. Yeah, you can right there. Alright, so let's plug her in. And I've got two Bissells, and they're both great performers. And this one's the highest up, and the other one is just the lowest model in Bissell lineup. But let's see how it does. Ready? There they all are. They're all in there. Yep. So it's all in there, and it seemed to have done pretty darn well. This thing does just doesn't close. There we go. Alright, so that's my Bissell heavy duty vacuum cleaner. Here's the model number. It is a 93Z7. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.